I had made this video, oh my god, and I had warned, I had told about this project. Wait, you'll take my video. Mati Mure, Mati. Sir, my god, सारखे danger मध्ये तुमका sir. Oh my god.
Oh, be careful.
गाव तालिगाव छे आवय सांगलेले माती नो हे जातले म्हणून आयकोंक ना नो आय फॉट इलेक्शन आम आदमी पार्टी स्पेशल रात्री बाबा सकाळ आसा आमी सकलो पडो Hi everyone, today we are in Taligaon and this is Borbad area. If you can see behind me is the main bypass road where you have all fields on the other side, and this section, if you can see here, has totally collapsed because of the project that is coming up. When our panchayat gives NOC to builders, are they keeping a protocol in mind saying that what kind of mud it is and what can happen to the residents residing? Few weeks ago I had made a video on this when they had started the digging process, and I said that this is going to get worse once the rain starts. And if you can see, the whole section now has collapsed with the heavy rains because the mud has loosened from down. All these residents who have been staying here for years, you can show over here, the residents are staying on my left hand side, and where I reside is on the right hand side in the complex on the other side. I reside on the other side. And this whole place has been dug up. Now this is a risk factor where I am standing also, the whole mud can collapse. What is happening in Taligaon? These people's lives are in danger right now because this is definitely going to collapse. And there is no truck service that can come inside and dump mud over here right now. Requesting the panchayat, requesting all the officials, please do not give permissions to builders left, right and center to do this construction work without keeping in mind the people that are surrounding. You all are asking in trouble. We've already seen Panjim sinking. Now Taligaon is also sinking over here. And because of these elected officials who are left, right and center giving permissions. Tell you frankly, where you can see the trucks over there, land use maps 2018 shows that those were two fields. Those were two fields which were there. It's clearly mentioned on the maps over here. And this section was a cultivation area. Cultivation area where now the building is coming. If you can see, it's just mud. It's pure soil. It's a golden soil of Taligaon where we used to use for cultivation. And now they're giving it for builders. And you know, nature's going to take its course. Mother Nature is seeing the destruction that is happening, and this will be the result of it. People surrounding the area are going to suffer. We also are going to suffer. My building also might collapse over there with this digging that's happening over here. We are at risk. What action? Who's going to take responsibility of this? Is the MLA going to take responsibility? Is the Punch member going to take responsibility, who's also the deputy sarpanch of this area, who's Regapai? Or the contractor or the builder of this? We all know who's the builder. The name is put out, so I'm not saying it because I don't want any case on me. But this is a builder who's doing this excavation work. I will give you all the videos, what I have showed you the process, how this area was with greenery, how this has been dug up and the situation right now. And let's go to the other side and check the situation now.
आणि उत्तक लागून झाला नाही
हो पण त्याच्या खातीर त्यांना कन्स्ट्रक्शन करता त्यांना रिटेनिंग वॉल बांधचे असता न्हू
आम्ही आता शेतान बुराक मारले
तेच म्हणटा सो ती रिटेनिंग
आणि आम्ही सगळी आता होसळून वचपाची राती मरपाची कशी करतली आता याचे शेत घेतले आणि शेतान त्या बुराक मारल्या आणि ते तग घालता आणि वडल्या बांधता आणि आम्ही मरू गरीब सांग त्या बिल्डरान केले काम या बाड निघले आणि आम्ही जरा पडली आम्ही किचलाचे पाना 100 वर्ष लागी झाली आणि आता मरू मरता आता आता वाचायला आम्ही घरात सर्व.
Hardly wants a Rauli. तुझ्या आम्ही आई don't worry. टेन्शन घे नका. आम्ही हा आता हायलाइट करूया issue. आणि बेगीन किती
रात्री निघून
medical action is
बाबा
required for
बड्डा.
the medical action. What happens? She cannot express herself. That is the feeling of emotion. These are the feeling of emotion. A poor person cannot do anything. And she is busted all this thing. That is the thing.
तुम्ही येऊ आव सांगता का येऊ
And this house is belong. See, this
आम्ही
house,
अंगात
nearby
किती
house is
वास
belong to this
होता.
woman. This
आणि
woman.
आज आम पोते
So let us take her
माझे
also.
घर सगळे
Take her
वासे.
consideration. No, okay.
तिच्या घरात काही जाऊ अननेसेसरी
वास नका
ना
बोटी लावच्या ना
ते उदका खातीर जाला वयले सगळे उदक हांगा येता कितें आनी ते अशें पास जाता ते जर तेंच्यांनी
सगळे बरे जातले. टेन्शन घे नका. टेन्शन घे नका.
सो ती खळी मारूंक जाय
हांगा खळी न्ही खळी थंय
तर
वयले
मारूंक जाय न्हू खंय तरी खळी मारूंक जाय न्हू
खूब फावटान
मारूंक जाय
सांगले
न्हू ती मिस्टेक न्हू हय तीच म्हणटा ती मिस्टेक न्हू सो तेजेर आमी करता मिस्टेक कोणाची तेजेर करता आमी कळ्ळें न्हू आनी कन्स्ट्रक्शन केलें तेन्ना तेंच्यांनी ही वॉल सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी मारल्या पळय ती तेंच्यांनी मदीं गॅप सोडून मारल्या
लिसन सिसेल बाय आयक सांगता वी आर रिलेटेड टू कळ्ळें सो वील सी हर प्रॉब्लेम नथिंग वील हॅपन आय एम टेलिंग यू
But she's just feeling it, so she just.
She is feeling why she should come here. You tell me why she should come. We are there, no.
हय पूण तुमी खळी पयलीं मारतना सांगून नासले
आणि वयर खळी
हय गे पूण तुमी सांगून नासले पयलीं
हांगा यो म्हाज्या बरोबर येतात जाल्यार हांव दाखयता ती खळी मारून पयलींचे अशें घालताले ते आतां कितें जालां सगळें उदक हांगा येता
पूण आतां ही घरा जर पडली हाका जबाबदार कोण आसतलो हे तुमी सांगा न्ही, जबाबदार कोण हाका ही जर घरा आतां पडली जाल्यार तुम्ही म्हणटा खळी मारपाक जाय सगळे पण आता जबाबदार कोण तुम्ही म्हणटा इश्यू हे करू नाका कोण जबाबदार हाका ही आता घरा पडल्यार तूं जबाबदारी घेतली तुम्ही
हांव कित्याक घेतले
मागीर तुम्ही सांगता न्ही
सारकें न्ही
त्या सायडीचें घर पळयलां तुमी
पंचायतीक खूब वेळान सांगलें हें उदक सगळें
आयज तुमी परते पंचायतीक कळयल्ले
येवन गेले
हा
पंच येवन
पंच येवन गेले आनी कितें सांगले
डेप्युटी सरपंच येवन गेले
कितें सांगले कितें
बाबूशान दाखयत न्हू कोण हांव न्हू
आमदार येयल्लो हांगा बाबूश येयल्लो हांगा
हांगासली आमदार बाबूश न्ही हय जेनिफर मनसिराज हांगासले आमदार आं
तिका कळयल्या तुमी जावं तिचे कोणाक सांगला पियेक बेग अशें
रेगाक सांगलें
My house, I am the resident of this house here, and without safety, this company has built this thing. This construction they started. They have gone 6 meter inside. 6 meter inside the underground. They are constructing the house. What I have learned that 8-story building is coming up. All this thing, but road safety, road is not constructed. Water is locking there. Full village water is coming in. Besides all this thing. Safety measures is not taken by them. They have told the panchayat, deputy sarpanch or something who is here. They just come goes. I told them there is a nalla nearby, near Marsi temple, that some outlet should be there in there. Everybody has constructed and everything is sound because we people are poor. Nobody. If we sound they gather. You understand? So outlet is very important. Water should go to the main nalla there near Marsi temple. And then the flow should not be all flow is there.
All flow
and
is coming in and the whole thing is collapsed.
Now 6 meters there. If somebody is drowned there, what will be? This is a suicidal case. All this thing. But we are very poor people. We do not have any head and tail. Therefore, everything is going on.
तुम्ही आता पंचायतीक बीन सकाळी कळयल्ले
Panchayati, the ward, that fellow ward, the lady I called them, she just came and gone. What is important priority is that outlet should be there on each and everything. But these people are not doing anything. Every water is shown there, and we people don't. And secondly, what about this construction? They are going underground. Though they should be their safety first, and then should we have done the. My mother is there. He is the 90 years old. She is crying there. She is shocked. That is the thing.
So right now your house is in danger. What
Our
will
house is in the danger. See, you can see it is going on. Anything, if this it will collapse. That is the thing.
another heavy shower comes in.
Next shower will definitely.
It's loose mud. It's
That is
going on collapsing
and that is the
inside.
thing. Now at 4 o'clock I told them, but nothing safety they are taking. They are just brought the JCP and no digester. What is the digester? I rang 112. Police came, they have seen gone. Fire brigade came, seen gone. But nobody is doing. Now they just nothing is doing. Next shower will, my house will go there from that side. All not my house. This house, this will go all these things. We are poor people. We are not
So
able to
anytime you
construct all
have
these things. That
complaint
is the
regarding,
thing,
anytime you have done complaint,
huh? Complaint we have given written so many times.
ना ह्याच्याक पयलं प्रोजेक्ट येता
Yes,
म्हणून
lot of time they have complained. We have orally told them they are the person nearby here. That Pai is a deputy sarpanch. I think that is.
Yes, she's the deputy
Still, lady has come there, but what was just coming and doing nothing. They have to do action, nothing. That is the thing. So we are in the soup. If my house collapse, I have no ability to build it. That is the problem. That is the thing.
I think so. The
So
plan
do
of
something.
action, the
Yeah.
plan of action has to be there has to be stones which has to be brought in at the earliest and put over here for safety measures, so that whatever loose soil is there has to be retained. If this loose soil is not retained, then even this present soil will just collapse down because it's loose.
That is work of panchayat.
Yes.
Panchayat should the outlet and give the wind to the Nalla, the near Mother Temple. The outlet should be there, but no outlets are built. Everybody has done construction and everything is gone. Since we are not raising the voice, the things are coming here. But
So
this,
kindly requesting the panchayat to please act
please
on
act
it
even
today
priority.
itself at the
Because
earliest.
doing this will also not do anything. Because after filling this, water will again come. I feel again lot. Outlets and giving to the main lake is a very important factor. This we are crying for last so many years, but nobody is doing anything because everybody is going for construction. Nobody wants the Nalla near their house. That is the situation of this. And if we do, then we are bad people. That is the poor woman whose house is this. She is my mother. So let's take her also. She will tell you. No, there.
yeah,
Be careful.